Hey mates, how is life behind bars? Not these bars, but these bars. Wanted to bring this video to you today because this is the first double ezcan that we've done to a new Harley Davidson Pan America. This customer has gone all out. As you can see, he's got 4 D4s, but we've put them on 3 circuits because one of the light pairs is on 2 circuits, so we can command that light pair to switch off on the respective side when we indicate, but then the other pair is on 1 circuit, so 3 circuits in total, because we don't need to command it to go off or flash or do any cool features when we go around corners. On this particular instance, when he indicates left, for instance, we want the top left hand light to go off, which makes the Harley Davidson indicator more apparent, but the lower one nearer the ground stays on so the corner doesn't go into darkness. And then on top of that, he's also got the Denali Soundbomb on there, so when he wants to toot people, then they're obviously going to get out of the way because they're going to hear him coming. And then additionally, we've drilled the hand guards and we've fitted front T3 switchback turn signals. So he's got a white DRL on his hand guards, and when he indicates, they will flash amber as well. Then we popped another 2 T3s on the back on his license plate, so he's got more visibility on the back when he's braking and when he's indicating. So I'll put a link down below in the description if you want this exact double ezcan bundle on your Pan America, or also look down below in the description. There will be a link to all of the Pan America bundles that we do, whether you want D4s, D7s, DMs, D2s, S4s, you name it, we do it. So remember, this is a double ezcan installation. It's got 8 circuits to play with. All right, not everyone needs 8 circuits. If you just need 4 circuits, then you just go for a straightforward single ezcan bundle. Right, until next time, stay safe behind bars. I'll see you in the next video.